Breaking news: in the Russia-Ukraine war, Ukrainian drones have triggered major disruptions at multiple Moscow airports, forcing the temporary closure of civilian flight operations and grounding hundreds of flights, a rare escalation deep inside Russian territory. Ukrainian drones were detected near Moscow airspace, prompting Russian authorities to restrict flights at several major airports including Sheremetyevo, Vnukovo, Domodedovo and Zhukovsky. Russian defense claimed it shot down hundreds of drones across several regions, including Moscow Oblast. Reports say 300+ flights were cancelled or delayed due to temporary airport closures, affecting thousands of passengers. This is part of an escalating drone campaign by Ukraine beyond the front lines of battle, aiming to pressure Russian military capabilities and infrastructure. Previous Ukrainian drone activity deep inside Russia included strikes that forced closures of airports and prompted heavy air defense responses. Airports rarely close due to military actions, making disruptions in a capital city like Moscow significant for both military and civilian life. Ukrainian drone capabilities have grown, able to reach targets deep inside Russian territory and threaten critical infrastructure. Russian air defenses responded by claiming to have intercepted a significant number, but even their downing often causes secondary destruction. Russian officials frame drone incursions as terrorist acts or threats to national security, condemning Ukraine's use of drones near civilian infrastructure. Russia typically claims most drones were shot down by air defense systems, minimizing reported damage. Ukraine does not always officially claim responsibility for specific drone flights, but broadly Ukraine's strategy includes striking at logistical and strategic infrastructure. The war could see more remote strikes using drones beyond frontline territories. Russia may further increase air defenses around major cities. Civil aviation could become a recurring flashpoint if either side's drones approach or disrupt civilian infrastructure again. The psychological impact on Russian cities, showing that threats can reach deep into the heart of the country, is significant. This latest wave of Ukrainian drone activity that disrupted Moscow's airports shows how modern drone warfare is reshaping the Russia-Ukraine conflict, impacting not just battlefields, but also civilian life and critical infrastructure. Stay tuned for more updates.